A spy in July. The shy spy had to fly high in July to defy the bad guy. Why did he have to get the guy? Because the guy was sly and had done a crime. The spy dived in the light to fly by a pylon. The bright light shined in the sly guy's eyes. He went right, but the flight was too tight and he hit a wire. The bright fire gave the spy a fright. He arrived just in time to pull the sly guy free. The spy started to cry. "Please do not die. Try to stay alive," he said. "Do not be sad," said the sly guy. "I am fine. I will not die." The spy had dry eyes. "I'm so glad you tried to stay alive," said the spy. Then the sly guy was untied by the spy. Now it was midnight. The spy looked for the bad guy. But there was no light. The bad guy was hiding in a tree. "I see you!" yelled the spy. "Time to fight!" The spy beat the bad guy. So he went home to eat pie and fries.